welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing a little bit of eyeshadow bingo, and we are going to be using the Makeup Geek Matrix palettes, and I'm so excited because you guys know that I love these so much. I know I've been MIA. I will explain in this video, but if you are new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I didn't zoom you in all the way just yet, just because we're going to play eyeshadow bingo, just like I said. So let me explain the rules, and then we will get into where I've been. It's not super dramatic or anything like that. I just want to explain myself and kind of chit chat with you guys. So if you've never seen eyeshadow bingo before, this is not my idea. I got the idea from Marlena Stell from Makeup Geek. But basically it's row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and basically no matter what shadows I get, they should work together. So I have 4 little baggies with the names of all the shadows in each row. So basically I'm picking 4 shadows, and that's how I'm going to create my eye look. So today won't be like a full face of makeup, but I will have all the items that I use on my face in the final look down in the description. Okay, you guys, so this is row 1. I promise I'm not looking, and I'm just gonna grab one. I'm actually very nervous. So our first shade is In the Spotlight. So I'm just gonna lay my little papers out here, and then I promise I will show you the palette that we're working with. So this is number 2, row 2, and okay, just want to make sure I got one. This is Tuscan Sun. Ooh, I think that's orangey vibes. I don't know what the first one is, so. So this is row 3, and I just gotta mix it up a little bit. Oh, I got 2. I'm just gonna dump one in. Okay. This is Seize the Day. I almost said Seize of the Day. Ooh, orange and blue. Okay. Now I'm really nervous. And just trying to make sure I got one. Okay. And then our final shade is Americano, a little bit of brown. So let me get that little palette together and I'll show you. Okay, you guys, so this is the palette we're going to be working with. I was completely wrong. This is Tuscan Sun, and it's actually a soft pink shade. I thought it was orange. I confused it with another one. But this looks really pretty. I'm nervous. I have no idea what I'm going to do, so let's just get into it. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and zoomed you in, primed my eyes. Really quickly, if you want more information on these Makeup Geek Matrix palettes, I did do a video on them when they first launched, if I remember correctly. You can go to the Makeup Geek website. I will also link my video down below. But you can go to the Makeup Geek website and you can actually build your own palette. I believe they have 4-pan, 9-pan, and then they have the full-size palettes, which I think is pretty cool. Again, I get into all that in my video. I'll leave it linked down below. But you can get these sold, I think, even individually, like each shadow, just for those of you guys that are interested. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get into it. So I will be putting what I'm using here in this corner. I have an idea. We'll see if this works out. But anyway, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with the first shade, and I'm just gonna pop this in as my transition shade, but then it'll also be kind of like an all over the lid shade. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But anyway, you guys, I did want to explain where I've been, and I just didn't want you guys to feel like, wow, she just left us. I promise I did not. I have actually been dealing with PCOS things. If you guys have been following me for a while, well, those of you that have, you may know that I have PCOS, and it just has not been fun. honestly. I did try to get back into the swing of things this past week or so. And I did a few like Instagram videos and stuff like that. But I was just not feeling up to actually sitting here and having like a full video for you guys. Honestly, I couldn't. But I am trying to get back into it. I can't promise you guys that you guys will see me every week for sure, or like 3 times a week or anything like that. I'm honestly just trying to make sure that I'm okay, and yeah, that's honestly my main priority. If you guys have been following me from the beginning, you guys have heard me say, for us, life has been crazy for a couple years now, like before COVID. So, you know, it's still just kind of going. I feel like that's life. I feel like we're all going through something, have been through something. So, you know. Okay, you guys, so I got that first shade on, and now we're going to move on to that Americano brown shade, and I'm just going to use it to make like a eyeshadow eyeliner type of thing. So I'm just going to start here. I don't know how thick I want this to go, but we'll just roll with it. But anyway, you guys, I do want to thank you guys for still showing up. I feel like I have some of the best supporters. You guys are just so understanding most of the time, and I know that you guys don't always expect me to come on here and like explain myself, but I do like to, I don't know, kind of keep you guys in the loop. I feel like I feel rude just not showing up and not giving really an explanation. So even though it's not a super dramatic one, I just want to let you guys know. And also, I will say, you guys, I have enjoyed making like little TikTok videos and stuff on Instagram. I think my heart is YouTube. I love YouTube so much. But also, I know that a lot of you guys don't have time to be here, you know, a full 20 minutes or whatever, especially when you are used to social media that's kind of like quick, like TikTok. So I do understand. At first, I can't lie, I was struggling with, I don't know, this whole social media thing, in the sense of I kind of just wanted to be here on YouTube, you know? I know that you guys wanted me to have like an Instagram makeup page and stuff like that, and I was super hesitant at first just because, to be honest, I like being me. I like following people that I like the niche that they do, but also, I don't know, I like to see a variety on people's Instagrams. I don't like it to be like all focused on one thing. I feel like once you start making like makeup pages and stuff like that, it kind of takes that personality away from the person, in a sense. And so I have my makeup page, but if you guys follow me and I end up following you back, or whatever, you guys will see that I usually follow you from my personal page, and that's because that's where I'm actually like active the most, I feel. Like, obviously I reply back to you guys on the makeup Instagram because I'm not gonna be rude, but it's not my favorite thing, honestly, you guys. So I did struggle with it for a while, but I know that you guys are enjoying it, and at the end of the day, I do want to be here to, I don't know, just be a little bit of an escape. Sorry, you guys probably couldn't see what I was doing there. I'm gonna see if I can fix this because I think I put a little too high. But yeah, I know that I like being your guys' escapes. I've gotten a lot of really nice messages from people that just, you know, enjoy my content and stuff, and I really appreciate those messages. I really appreciate even you guys that probably follow me and just stay silent. But yeah, I struggled for a little bit, and now I've been trying to get into other social medias and being active for you guys over there. Sorry you guys, I got cut off. But it makes me excited for you guys to see my content and like it and vibe with it. And I know that a lot of you guys feel like I do, like there's not a lot of people out there that look like me, or that just, I don't know, even that I just vibe with. Okay guys, so I think for the other two shades, I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply some more of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back so we could do the bottom waterline and see what I'm gonna do with that little shimmery pink. So I will be like a second for you, a little bit for me. Okay you guys, so I am back. I got some of that makeup on. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish the bottom waterline, and I'm debating what to do with that shiny pink. I think I might just go into my inner corner. We shall see. Let me go into that Tuscan Sun, and I'm just gonna kind of blend this so we could tie the top and the bottom together. Also you guys, I know this video is kind of like random chit chats, but thank you so much for going and showing love on posts that other companies or people share. I don't know, I just didn't expect to even ever get shared for a very long time, especially with how difficult it is to, I don't know, be noticed, I think, on social media right now. So yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. So now I'm gonna go into that blue shade, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it on top of the pink shade and kind of go back and forth between the two till I like the way that it looks. I just don't want it to look so super harsh, but I'm hoping that we can, I don't know, still have this looking cute, like a little pop of color. And then I'm just gonna grab a fluffy brush. It doesn't have anything on here, and I'm just gonna like really try to diffuse this here. Okay you guys, so now I have that bottom done. So now we're gonna take that pink shade, and I'm gonna try to use it as my inner corner highlight. I'm hoping that it's not too dark. I'm gonna just spritz it a little bit with my setting spray. We're just gonna go right in. Okay you guys, so that was the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I also didn't want to go in like typical dark in the outer corner and then the shimmer shade on the inner part of the eye. I kind of wanted to separate the shadows a little bit so you could see all the colors and see how they still all work together. So I hope that you guys liked that. I truly enjoy these, and I hope you guys do too. Also, I know some of you guys have noticed that I've been trying to wear fake lashes for you guys. Y'all, I'm trying. They're just not like my favorite thing in the world, but sometimes I have days like today where I'm like super lazy to do my mascara, and if I just did my mascara I can get my lashes to look like this, but for when I'm lazy I just chop off some of the lashes and I use the outer parts. To be honest, I use just one because this one's kind of like the same all the way around, so I just pop them in the outer corner and I have a little bit of a fake lash for you guys. Anyway, you guys, if you are interested in anything else that's on my face, it'll all be listed down below. If you don't follow my Instagrams or my TikTok, please do so because I will be trying to put out content everywhere. I can. And I really do appreciate seeing you guys over in other socials as well. But that is going to be it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, for listening to my random rambles. Like, what was I even talking about? I don't even know, but thank you guys for making it to the end. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios.